Good morning everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope all of you are having a wonderful day. If not, then just put a smile on your face and be happy, because why not? And do subscribe. All jokes apart, this video is going to be an educational video in which I'll be teaching you what stocks are, how to trade stocks, what platforms you can use to trade stocks on, and how you can make money out of those stocks. And just like everyone else, I won't be reading out articles and giving you definitions and examples. In fact, in the end, I'll be showing you me trading live and making money out of stocks. So without further delay, let's get into the topic. Stocks. Let's talk about stocks. And what are stocks? Let me give you an example. Let's say you open up a company called ABC Company and the company's worth today is $100. You created that company by yourself, but now you need more money in order to grow further. So what you do, you split the company on papers in 10 equal parts, 10 equal shares or 10 equal stocks. Each share, each part, each stock is worth $10 because 10 into 10 is $100 of total of that company. Now you go to your friends and family and sell them each share, each part or each stock of that company for $10. You give them that document saying that okay, you hold 10% or one stock of this company and you take $10 and you do same for as much stocks as you want to give out. Now you take that money and invest into the company in order for the company to grow. Let's say tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, 6 months, a year down the road, the company is worth $200 now. So each and every single person who bought the share, stock or piece of that company for $10 or for one stock, now the value is doubled and the worth for that one stock, one share or one part is $20. So that's how those shareholders make money. And because the company is growing and you are also making money, in turns everyone is green and in profit. Now this was an example on a small scale. Let's talk about on a bigger scale. Let's say you have a company worth of hundreds and thousands of dollars and you need a lot of cash that you are unable to raise from your friends and family. So what you do is you list your company on a stock exchange. Stock exchange acts like a broker where a lot of buyers and sellers, so-called investors, come. They buy and sell your stock, mostly buy your stock and hold them, putting the money on the exchange, and from there you can withdraw the money and invest into your company. This is how companies raise money to grow. And if they are growing, obviously their value is growing, and in return the investors who are holding their stocks, their shares or their pieces, parts, are also growing. Back in the old days, all of this used to be on document, like written papers. People used to have pieces of paper, so-called stocks, but nowadays it's all digital and happen in a blink of a second. Due to this fast exchange of digital paper or digital pieces of stocks, process has become so fast that a lot of people are able to buy and sell the stocks at a very rapid speed through these stock exchanges. Now, in order to execute that trade, a broker is required. This broker can be a person who does this by himself or through some software that are only allowed for the brokers, or it's a software now that acts as a broker and you yourself can buy and sell stocks. Now let's talk about softwares that act as broker and let you trade stocks, local stocks and international stocks. There are many softwares out there like eToro, Webull, Interactive Broker, Robinhood, ThinkorSwim and many others. The two main platforms that I use to trade stocks is Robinhood and TDAmeritrade's platform ThinkorSwim. I will share the link in the description if you guys want to look into those softwares and start trading. Now, in order to pick a stock for your stock trading or holding for long-term investment, you don't just buy a stock because your friend said that this is the best stock, buy it, blah blah blah. No, you will have to do your own research and you will have to dig a little bit into companies' financial sheets and how their financial numbers looks like. All the companies that are traded on the stock exchanges, their financial information is available for the public to see, because if the public will not be able to see, they won't be able to pick up a stock and they will never know that if this company is valuable or not valuable and worth investing or not investing. So you can use softwares like Yahoo Finance, Investopedia, Finviz and many others that will provide you all the financial information for that company that is public in order for you to pick up the right company to invest in. Financials are not the only thing that you will need to look into for a company. You will also need to look into the company's news, their projects. Is that company profitable or no? Are they having some solid projects coming in the near future? Because all of these things really affect the movement of the stock price. Either your goal is long-term investment or short-term investment, you do need to look into it, because if you won't look into it, then you will end up holding a company that is worth nothing. Now there are two kind of strategies. One is long-term investment and second is short-term investment. Swing trading or day trading. Long-term investment is you buy the stock and hold it for a couple of time period. The definition of long-term investment is typically you are holding a stock for like more than a year or two, depends. And short-term could be anything from just a second to days or weeks. Tomorrow early in the morning we will trade stocks live and we'll try to make money. Good morning everyone. It's 9 a.m. early in the morning. Just got done working on project number 1. So it's time to work on project number 2, which is trading stocks. So let me get fresh and then I'll see you on the trading desk. It's 9:20. Now I'll just analyze some of the stocks, listen to the news, read a little bit here and there, and then we'll start trading around 9 and we'll see you then. So my focus today is on plug power and the stock is pulling back right now. It's a good pullback. It's a big red candle and the stock is still falling. Have any confirmation of a reversal direction, so we'll still wait. The stock is falling very sharply. So I just placed an order and looks like it's because I feel like it's bouncing back. It's reversing in direction because Nasdaq is going higher. So our order just got executed at 24.61. Now we just wait and see. There's a gap, that means it looks like positive. This candle looks like a lot of sellers are coming in, but there's a strong buying over here around this spot above 24.50. So we might see an upward direction push over here. A lot of buying power coming up, but we have to be careful around this corner, around 24.77. If this thing breaks around 24.77, we might squeeze up to 24.80. That's our target where we sell the stock. The direction do not look promising, so I think I might be just jumping out for the time being. Oh, here it comes, the push is coming. Just a little bit more, 85, 86, and our order is executed and we just made $250. And this is how stock trading is done. Obviously, it's not as easy as it seemed to be. It takes a lot of time and practice with a lot of patience. If you have all these things, it will definitely come to you and eventually you will end up making a lot of money. And you also need to know that not every day is a green day. There are some green days and red days, some ups and downs, some lows and highs. If you can withstand your lows, you will definitely enjoy your highs. Now, talking about my strategy is very simple. Whatever the amount of money I invest, my goal is to just make 1% of that money. As easy as that. Make the 1% and get out of that position and look for something else. 1% might seem small to you, but if you're a consecutive green day trader, that adds up a lot. So just try to be 1% better every day and you will turn out to be a very good trader. Stocks are not done yet. Now I will look into some stocks, keep up with the market for the rest of the day and read some financial sheets for some of the stocks and see what their numbers looks like to find some more good stocks for tomorrow. If I don't do this research every single day and don't keep up with this thing, then I won't be able to keep up with the market and won't be a profitable trader. I hope you like this video and you have learned something new from this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and share. Share this video for those who want to learn about stocks and want to start trading stocks and make money out of it. So you guys go, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz.